Do you want to get more traffic from your YouTube videos? I'm going to show you how to rank your videos in YouTube and Google fast so you can get more views and subscribers. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. So what's the difference between YouTube and Google? Google is the largest search engine on the net, and YouTube is the second largest search engine, which is owned by Google. YouTube wants to keep you on their platform as long as possible so they can sell you more advertising, whereas Google wants to solve your queries as fast and painlessly as possible. YouTube and Google have their own specific ranking factors that determine how a YouTube video will rank in the search results. Let's take a look at YouTube's main ranking factors. Number 1, watch time. This is the amount of time someone spends watching your video. The longer someone stays watching your video, the more opportunity your video has of appearing in suggested videos and ranking high in YouTube search results. Therefore, make sure that your content is what your target audience wants to watch. Click the card icon to watch my video on how to increase watch time for your YouTube videos. Number 2, abandonment rate. If your viewer leaves in the first few seconds, it probably means that the content is not relevant to what they expect. Study the audience retention graph in YouTube Analytics and add a card right before they leave your video. Number 3, freshness. YouTube videos often appear at the top of the search results when first published. If they don't get a lot of traffic in the first few days, you'll lose the rankings and it may disappear altogether from the first page. Number 4, likes and shares. When YouTube sees that your video gets a lot of engagement in the first 24 and 48 hours, then they'll rank your videos accordingly. If it continues to get a lot of engagement, your video rankings will remain. Number 5, embeds. This refers to incoming links to your video. The more properties on the net where your video appears, the higher your probability of getting good rankings. Number 6, relevancy. The keyword phrase that you're targeting should be relevant to the queries that someone's entering into the YouTube search box. When your thumbnail, title, description, and tags are all relevant and congruent with each other, you'll have a high possibility of getting good rankings. Let's look at Google's main ranking factors. Keep in mind that both Google and YouTube have hundreds of ranking factors that are kept secret. Number 1, keyword relevancy. As mentioned before, the keyword phrase that you're targeting should occur in the title, description, and tags of your video watch page. This makes your YouTube watch page totally relevant. You can also do the same for your channel page and your playlist page. Number 2, backlinks. This refers to the incoming links from other websites. The more properties on the net where your video appears, the high probability of your video ranking in Google. Number 3, on-page optimization. Make sure that your main keyword is in the title, description, and tags of your video watch page. Number 4, domain authority. When you register a new domain, it doesn't usually do well in the search engines. Since YouTube is owned by Google, YouTube has a lot of authority in Google's eyes. Here are some queries that often rank well in the Google search results. Keyword plus video, how-to plus keyword plus tutorial, tour of plus setting name, movie title plus review, video game plus review, product name plus review. Let's look at the ranking factors that apply both to Google and YouTube. Backlinks. This refers to incoming links from other websites. For example, if your video link or your video embed code is on multiple websites, then you'll rank fast on Google and YouTube. You can do the same with the channel homepage and playlist pages. Closed captions. It's important for YouTube and Google to get a written description of your video content. I've noticed videos where I've transcribed the video content often appear in Google search results. Date published. Newly published videos often appear at the top of the YouTube search results. I've noticed videos that are months or years old show up in the Google search results but didn't appear there at the beginning. This explains why Google doesn't value freshness as much as longevity when it comes to showing your results in the search engines. Subscribers. Videos on channels that have thousands or millions of subscribers tend to do very well in the search engines. While it makes a big difference in YouTube, it's not a huge ranking factor for Google. View count. A research company found that videos with over 500,000 views ranked in the top 10 search results 48% of the time. Videos with more than 100,000 views appeared in the search results 74% of the time. Therefore, getting more views to your YouTube videos gives your video a boost in the YouTube search results and also helps your rankings in Google. Length of video description. More videos appeared in top search results that had less words in the description than more words. Here are the main takeaways. The strongest ranking signals that satisfy both Google and YouTube is a strong backlink profile for your video. Closed captions, video longevity, short but informative descriptions. The strongest ranking factor for YouTube is watch time. However, this doesn't apply to Google. Optimizing your video content for both YouTube and Google is a great way to expand your audience and get more views and subscribers. If you want to avoid the common mistakes that most YouTubers make, click the card icon. You'll learn the top 10 mistakes YouTubers make and how to fix them. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the related videos.